In the competitive low-budget segment where Chinese smartphones have started to leave a mark, Samsung has launched the Galaxy J2, which has some impressive specifications in a not-so-expensive price tag. But before I start the review, I have a special announcement to make. We are giving away this phone to one lucky viewer, so make sure you check out the details in the description below. Now that you've enrolled yourself in the giveaway, let's start with the review. The Galaxy J2 is a well-built device which is sturdy to some extent. I love how it feels in the hand, which is something you can't say for other phones in this price category. This device is compact and the 5-inch display is pretty good. Yes, you might say it has a lower resolution, but the AMOLED screen does pop out the colors and the brightness. However, the only issue here is that YouTube videos cap out at just 480p, so it could be bothersome for some people. Camera-wise, the J2 is kind of dull and the pictures lack saturation and colors. It also suffers in low light conditions and overall it has average sharpness and details. The front camera also follows the same story. Samsung has included an LED flash here, but I don't think it is of much help since the camera itself is subpar. Moving on to the performance, the Snapdragon 425 here is a pretty solid choice. It can handle the basic tasks of running some social media applications with only a few lags here and there. Even the mid to low grade games run pretty well. I tried Clash Royale and Tank Stars and they ran without any frame drops. But the default apps like phone, message and settings take a second to load up. Samsung's experience UI here is pretty minimal and in my 3 weeks with the device, I didn't face any issues. Also, the Android security patch level is on March 1, 2018, which is kind of nice. But will this phone get regular security updates? I am really skeptical. Talking about the 2600 mAh battery, it delivers adequate usage of around 3 to 4 hours of screen on time, which translates to a full day of usage with 4G enabled all the time. The charging time here is around 2 hours, but we can't really expect more in this price range, can we? The Galaxy J2 is a good phone and I don't deny that. It has a quality AMOLED display, a great build quality and a good battery life. But corners are cut here in the form of the display resolution and the camera performance. Overall, it's hard for me to recommend the J2 2018 because you get better hardware in the same price range or by adding a little bit more cash. But if you're really into Samsung's budget smartphone, you should get this device. So that was my full review of the Galaxy J2 2018. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. What's your pick of the best budget smartphone? Do let us know in the comments down below. Saying this is Anuj signing off.